Car chases are dangerous and unpredictable. Viewer discretion advised.
We are following breaking news. There is a chase that's underway. You see it right here, that silver pickup truck going very fast, making some very aggressive turns. Let's check in with Mark Liu on the desk there.
Yeah, Amy, so this is currently a CHP pursuit in the Canyon Country area. It started in the Lancaster-Palmdale area where Los Angeles County Sheriff's deputies went in pursuit of what they're describing this as a tan Chevy Silverado. On the radio, I heard them describe it as a very heavy pickup, and that's what it is. It's a full-size tan Chevy Silverado. Now, you can see extremely high speeds here on surface streets in the Canyon Country area. It came down the 14. This pursuit has been lasting about maybe 30, 35 minutes. Los Angeles County Sheriff's deputies handed it over to the CHP when it was on the 14. They're now the pursuing agency. Now, we've been trying to get the want on this vehicle. We know that this vehicle is wanted for at least trying to hit a Los Angeles County Sheriff's Deputy Sergeant. We heard CHP units, the air unit, communicate that to their ground units, say, be advised, the male adult driver of this tan Chevy Silverado has tried to strike a Los Angeles County Sheriff's Deputy Sergeant in some capacity. We don't know if that's what started this pursuit or if that happened during this pursuit, but my colleagues at the assignment desk in the newsroom are currently calling both the CHP and the Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department to get the exact want on this vehicle, so we should have that shortly. We do know that the extremely high speeds here and this very heavy vehicle is making for very dangerous conditions as it transits eastbound through the Canyon Country area. There are multiple air units overhead, both law enforcement and media airships as they follow this vehicle. We think there's only one person inside, unknown if they're armed, but this vehicle is just being operated in an incredibly reckless manner right now on surface streets, and there's lots of people on the road right now, Amy. And I do hear that CHP is investigating the quickest ways to stop this, including using a spike strip. The air unit has been speaking to units on the ground. Who has a spike strip in their vehicle and where can we use it? So we may be seeing that sometime here in the near future on surface streets here. But now you can see stopped at a red light, Amy. This is a very dangerous pursuit.
Very dangerous. And this driver getting caught up in this intersection, really blocked in by these cars. And of course, we don't know how desperate this person is. And a lot of the folks, he's ramming into these cars, and the CHP ramming into the back of that truck, jumped out of the window there, Mark, making a run for it.
Yeah, now we see that male driver. He's making a run for it. As you saw, there was damage on that Silverado. Now there's rear end damage. It looked like the CHP cruiser actually struck him, making a hard run here through these parking lots. It looked like may have been a gas station. There are going to be CHP officers in pursuit on foot directly behind them. This was not a surveillance mode or a tracking mode. They had officers right there, and you can see now we've got one CHP officer. He's right there about to take that driver into custody. On the ground, one CHP unit, now a second officer coming in to take that officer into custody. That actually may be a Sheriff's Department deputy as well, but it looks like we have a code 4 here. Hopefully nobody injured in that accident back over that intersection, but it looks like this suspect is now being taken into custody.
Yeah, this is certainly the best case scenario there, because that truck was going so fast, Mark, so dangerous to see a vehicle of any size, but especially a large Silverado like that, just going so fast on the roadway. As we continue to watch all of these deputies get that suspect pinned down there and taking him into custody. Again, we were still waiting to hear exactly what started all of this, as you mentioned, about 45 minutes ago. And we're going to continue to watch this for just a bit. And okay, well, we're going to go ahead and just wrap this pursuit up.